Are you curious about your Telegram handle or wondering what your numeric Telegram ID is and why these two things even matter? Well, in this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through both steps. How to check your Telegram handle and how to safely find your numeric Telegram user ID. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to identify and use your handle, and you'll learn the easiest way to uncover your Telegram ID without any hassle. So let's jump right in. First, let's talk about your Telegram handle, which is sometimes called your Telegram username. Your handle is essentially your public face on Telegram. It's the name that people can search for and message, even if they don't have your phone number. Handles always start with an @ symbol, like at your name here, and just like on Twitter or Instagram, it acts as your personal brand or shortcut on the platform. To find your handle, open up the Telegram app. You can do this either on your phone or on your desktop. It works on both. On mobile, if you're using an iPhone, look for the Settings tab at the bottom right. If you're on Android, tap the 3 horizontal lines at the top left to open the menu and then pick Settings. For desktop users, just click those same 3 lines at the top left and select Settings from the menu. Once you're there, you'll see your profile at the top. Go ahead and tap or click on your profile section. Here, you should see your username or handle clearly listed, starting with an @. This is what people use to find you. If you haven't set one yet, you'll see an option to add a username. Feel free to choose something memorable and easy to spell, because this is how you'll be identified and contacted by other Telegram users. If you already have a handle but want to change it, maybe you've changed your online identity or just want something fresh, you can edit the username right from this screen. The great thing is you're in control. You can update your handle as often as you need, and Telegram will let you know if the name is taken or available. Let's move on to the second part, finding your Telegram numeric ID. Now, unlike your handle, Telegram keeps your numeric ID hidden from regular users. It's mainly for bots, developers, or anyone who needs to access the Telegram API. You won't see it in the normal settings, so don't worry if you've never spotted it before. The simplest and safest way to check your user ID is to use a dedicated Telegram bot. Bots are automated accounts that can perform all sorts of tasks, and there are several trusted bots created specifically to share your user ID. Here, how you do it. Open Telegram and use the search bar. Just look for it at the top of your chats or in the app interface. Type in something like @getmeadbot or @userinfobot. These bots are widely used and considered safe. Select the bot in your search results, here where you might see a profile picture and the bot's name. Tap Start at the bottom of the chat window to begin a conversation. There's no need to send any command. The bot will instantly reply with details about your profile. Look for the field labeled your user ID or simply ID. That long string of numbers is your unique Telegram identifier. Think of it as your secret passport number for Telegram's behind-the-scenes technology. If you're ever working with bots, setting up business features, or troubleshooting, this ID can come in handy, and that's it. You've learned to find both your handle and your numeric Telegram ID. If a step takes a few moments, just be patient. Sometimes bots can be a little delayed, and don't worry if you don't recognize something at first. You can always replay the video or drop me a comment with your question. I hope this tutorial cleared things up for you. If it did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy guides. Leave a comment below if you've got questions or topics you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.